In this video, I will show you how to log into your Instagram account without any backup code verification or two-step verification code when you don't receive or when you don't have access. Like this, after entering your login details, if you have turned on two-factor authentication, it asks you to enter any of these verification code. But if you don't have access them, you can use this account recovery feature. Right now, I will show you how to fully recover your Instagram account when you no longer have access even your password and email address and phone number. So open your Instagram application. If you save some account, it would be look like this. So just tap use another account. Here you will get this familiar login interface. Here you don't need to enter any of your login details. If you have them, you can enter it. Otherwise, just tap forgot password option under login button. Then it allows you to find or identify your account. To identify your account, you can try out with your old email or phone number. Otherwise, just enter your username. Then tap the continue button. Now it's provide all the option to reset your password. Either you can get code via WhatsApp, SMS, email or phone call. But if you can't access them, just select no longer have access to this in blue color option. Then you will get this recovery page. Here it provides some option to recover. If you can't access them, you can just select see more option. Then it will provide some additional recovery methods too. Here, if you have this feature, you can get help from your friend. Select two friends, then you can submit recovery request. But if you don't have that feature, I recommend you to select the video selfie option. Select video selfie, then it asks you to enter your new email address. Don't enter any of your old email address, enter new email address which you can access. Then they will send one-time verification code to your new email ID. After entering the code, this will be your new primary email address. All other contact details will be removed from your account. Now you have to confirm your identity. Here, either you can submit your ID copy or video selfie. Here, it provides some instruction when you capture a video selfie. So just tap its start selfie option. Then you have to allow your camera permission. Just tap allow in the pop-up window. Then you have to move your head according to their instruction. Then your video selfie will be captured automatically. After that, you can submit this video selfie for Instagram review. After reviewing, you will get this kind of message. Either you can reset your password, or you can use this login code, or you can use this login automatically option. Then you can log back into your account. Using this method, if you couldn't recover your Instagram account, you can get help from your Instagram friends, or you can watch more alternative recovery tutorial in this video description, or you can click this end screen videos and come on over. See you in the next tutorial. Later!